What's up, guys? It's your boy Swan Belcher. Today we're gonna do something fun. We're gonna ride along and actually go clean up one of the Airbnbs. Now this is actually one of my newest Airbnbs and it's making me a crazy amount of money. So I want you guys to get a chance to see what it looks like, and then I'm also gonna go over some details about the particular house so that way you guys can kind of copy and paste what I do into your life. So I will say I don't clean every time. This is not what I do. I mean, essentially I like to be the investor, high level, bird's eye view. I hire people to actually do this. I create some kind of system, processes, a cleaning, a checklist. You know, I have a team that's helping me out. But today, Miss Arita, we slipped up, all good. I'm here to say today we got another booking, and we'll reveal how much we're making just for one night at the end of the video. So stay tuned, stay locked in. Let's go. Real quickly, I want to touch on 3 of the ways that you can get your first Airbnb real quick, you know, without a lot of headache. Okay, number 1 is arbitrage. Go find a landlord like myself or someone else, rent a nice property near Coliseum or hospital or just like downtown area. Rent it from them, put furniture in it, put it on Airbnb. You'll make the spread. Number 2, you can take over somebody's mortgages. Typically, when you're buying property subject to, the properties are already nicer. So simply add some furniture, get some nice pics, and boom, boom, boom. And then thirdly, this just came about. My friend who I actually helped buy their first personal house in Raleigh, she said, hey, I just got a new job, I'm moving, so I'm partnering or I'm JVing with her. She'll still own the property, but we'll own an Airbnb business together and we'll split profits. So you guys can get into it. So while we're waiting for the sheets to be cleaned, I can talk to you. So typically Miss Arita and Mr. Frank, they typically handle this part for us, but today they had a little personal issues going on and some family in town. So my wife came over to help us out. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the little B-roll of the spot, but I'll just go over a little bit about what we typically do, you know, for the cleaner. So we put our properties on Airbnb and VRBO, and we tie them together with this little like property management tool called IGMS.
A few moments later.
And through IGMS, you can like build you out a team. So Sarah, she's responsible for all like the communications, kind of like the troubleshooting. And then Miss Arita, she's responsible for the cleaning and getting supplies. Now, my other properties, we actually have a supply closet in here. And a supply closet would be great, you know, because it would have like extra blankets, extra sheets, extra comforters, extra towels, cleaning supplies. You know, should have everything that you need in order to do like one cleaning, right? So that way you don't have to buy extra stuff. And, you know, that cleaning closet we have in our closet and it's locked, which is perfect. So that way your guests aren't like, you know, stealing $100 worth of paper towels or something. Now all of that would be gravy, but last week, Miss Arita actually hired one of her family members to help her clean, and I had to bring over my cleaning closet key. Now, I know you guys are thinking like, Swan, why are you still using a lock with a key? Like, you should just get a keypad. And I did, but I didn't set up the keypad. So we are waiting for the sheets to wash. All good. It happens. It happens. Now, I will say the benefit to us coming over here and cleaning real quick is this house is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and typically the cleaning fee is $269. So shout out to our lunch, bae. Shout out to our lunch, what we're about to eat when we leave here. So.
Oh, this is gonna be a steak dinner.
Mm-hmm. Or,
you know why?
Why?
I found the key to the linen closet.
Oh, did you really? Oh, nice. Where was it at?
It was in that little jar right there.
Get it out of here. That's crazy. Okay, well, there we go. Off to the cleaning closet.
All right, so now that we have found the key to the storage closet, now we have to make up the children's room. Let's go.
Now, quick little thing real quick. You always have to have mattress protectors on your bed. So I'm glad I got a chance to clean today because I learned that the children's beds, the bunk beds up here, didn't have mattress protectors. Mattress protectors are like plastic or like thick fabric to help stop bed bugs or to help protect your, $1,000 mattress when kids go to wee-wee on it. So very important. Back to the program. Yo, that right there, shoot, that was harder than putting on your first condom in college. Have your pride.
Huh?
Wait a minute. Who are you?
All right, so another thing came up, the dryer. It's not getting hot, so I had to take everything home, get all the sheets dried. Luckily, we only need the king sheet, so let's get it done. What a day, folks. What a day.
A few moments later.
Bam. All right, guys, so I got it done. My wife even put up some like Christmas tree, like some Christmas kind of decorations and whatnot. And I don't know if you can see those over there on there. And then she put some up there. I don't know if you guys can see that. That's gonna be a wrap. We got that joint done. So sometimes in your automated businesses, automated doesn't necessarily mean that you don't have to do anything. Automated just means that you hired somebody else to do it for you. But at the end of the day, you inspect what you expect, right? So if you know that your cleaner is supposed to go over, you have some kind of way of notifying her, hey, here's a reminder that you have a checkout. You have some kind of way of saying, hey, I know that Miss Arita started the cleaning, but she hasn't finished. You have to always be communicating with your team because things like this will pop up. And you getting a booking on the same day. So we had a check-in earlier today. We didn't have a checkout later on today. So I'm assuming my cleaner was just like, hey, I'll get to it after I finish dealing with my personal stuff. But at the end of the day, people can book anytime they want to book, especially if you got that Insta book on. And I definitely suggest that you have that Insta book on. So these people that are coming in, they're just staying for one night. It's paying $517. So shout out to that. And I want to encourage you all that you all can own properties like this. This one that you see me in, you guys can own property just like this without having to qualify for a loan. Okay. Now I teach you guys how to market for deals like this, how to, talk and persuade and give out the benefits to the seller and structure deals like this. And I also teach you guys how to use other people's money to do deals like this. So I'm definitely going to link below to a few courses that I have that might help you learn how to do some of the things that I'm doing over here with my Airbnb and my long-term rental business. Okay, remember, you don't need all three to do a deal. You just need two to do you. Peace, y'all.